Die-cut foam tape is one of those everyday materials that quietly supports some of the most important technologies in our lives. From wearable medical devices to solar panels and airplane components, its versatility makes it a go-to solution across a wide range of industries. In this video, we'll break down what die-cut foam is, explore 5 key industries where it plays a critical role, and show you where to find the right foam tape for your project. Die-cut foam refers to foam materials that have been shaped or cut using a die cutting process, which involves a custom die that punches precise shapes out of the material. This method allows manufacturers to create consistent, custom foam components tailored to specific applications. Die-cut foam tape is known for its adaptability, cushioning properties, and ability to form tight seals, making it ideal for various industries ranging from healthcare to electronics. In the medical field, the foam's flexibility allows it to comfortably conform to the skin, making it perfect for securing dressings, cushioning wounds, and forming airtight seals that protect against contaminants. The same adaptability is essential in wearable medical devices, where cleanroom processing helps ensure safety for sensitive applications. In electronics, thin foam tape is used to bond and cushion components like circuit boards and touchscreens, fitting into compact devices while providing impact resistance and sealing out dust and moisture. Automotive manufacturers rely on acrylic foam tape to replace bolts and screws, reducing vibration and creating clean interior finishes, while heat-resistant foams like PE handle the intense conditions found under the hood. Similarly, aerospace applications benefit from foam's lightweight nature, reducing drag and weight by replacing bulky fasteners and providing cushioning for sensitive onboard electronics. Finally, in the energy and electrical industry, foam tape supports the structural integrity of solar panels and inverters, securing delicate wires and components with UV-resistant, weatherproof materials that stand up to the outdoor conditions. While some standard die-cut foam shapes may be available through online retailers, custom foam tape solutions typically require the expertise of a converter. A converting partner like Strouse can help you choose the right material, refine your design for manufacturability, and determine the best production methods for your needs. For companies with unique requirements or complex applications, reaching out to a converter is the most effective way to access tailored die-cut foam tape solutions that meet both performance and production goals. If you want to learn more about working with a converter, feel free to visit our Learning Center where we have more videos and articles on all of these topics, or you can reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.